So TikTok is now allowing you to hit the promote or slash boost button like Facebook does. Do you think this is a good idea to use?
I did it for the first time this last week.
Oh, yeah?
I didn't tell you about it. I didn't tell anybody about it.
Okay. How did it go?
It was very easy.
And how much did you spend?
Spent $250.
Okay.
They haven't spent the whole thing. I got to look at the reception on the video. But again, I don't pay too much attention to TikTok on my content, even though I talk about it. Like we're doing it for Dr. Berg. It's taken off. Natural Slim took off. A few other clients, they took off. On my side, it didn't really quite take off. So our videos get seen more on Facebook and Instagram than they do on TikTok.
Yeah.
So I took one video, which was a really good video of you and I. I don't think you've even seen it yet.
Oh, yeah, the one that...
I shared with you,
yeah.
right?
Yeah.
The one that about Elon Musk.
Okay, yeah.
That one. Yeah, somebody was commenting and saying, like, can I be like Elon Musk and just post on Twitter? And I'm like, what?
Yeah.
Comparing yourself to one of the richest men in the world? By the way, I got a bunch of haters because everybody's like, he's not the richest man in the world. And they're fighting over a couple of $billion. Come on.
Yeah, and he was at one point.
He was when I made the video. That's right. And Gates was number 2 and he was number 1.
Yeah.
No, I'm sorry. Bezos was number 1. Was
Right.
number two.
Right,
and
right.
now it's always like one of those free guys, right? Either Bezos or Musk or Gates.
Well, like somebody tweets the wrong thing and the stock market just moves around and those 3 guys shift around from position 1, 2, and 3.
That's crazy. One of the powers of being a massive influencer, right? One little tweet. But anyways, I took a video on TikTok and they're called, you can buy tickets or stars or something. I don't know what it's called right now. But on TikTok,
Oh, yeah, it's like a coin or something.
it's like a
right?
coin,
Yeah.
right? So I spent $250 and I bought, I don't know how many coins. And it's very weird. The system is different. It's not really like boosting.
Right.
I really recommend that you guys look into it and check it out. I think the video, like my videos on TikTok, they traditionally get 50 views, 100, 200, maybe 400 if the video does well.
Yeah.
But this one has like 10,000 now, or something like that, right? And it has good engagement and stuff like that.
And you were able to pick, like, you only want the United States audience?
Yeah, but
Or-
I'm doing it. Yeah, you can. You have 2
Okay.
options, all right? 2 options. You either let TikTok decide for you who the audience is going to be, which I'm sure it's going to open up a bunch of other markets that maybe you don't care about.
Right.
Or you can pick your own audience too. In my case, I just like testing things. I just said, TikTok, you do whatever you want.
I think that's smart because their algorithm is so smart already.
But here's the thing. I don't trust the TikTok
Yeah.
ad platform, meaning that on Facebook, if I boost a video, if I get it to show up to more people, I know I can retarget them really well.
Right.
I know I can build an audience of video watchers. Is that possible in TikTok already? You know, that ad product, the TikTok ad product might not be there yet. So if you want to get more attention just because you feel like, I don't know, maybe it's a vanity thing, like you want to get more people to see your stuff, then that's great.
Maybe they'll get more people to see it and then they'll get more followers. And then if you get more followers, next time you post some content, then some of those are going to get to see your...
So I got about 10,000 views so far, and I got to look at the exact numbers of it.
Okay.
So that video has, let's see, 28,700 views.
Okay.
So I don't think you can see it really well right here, right? They can look it up. So I'm just showing this a little bit. One of the videos, the average one is like 50, 75 views, all right? 50, 75 views. And that one has 28,700. And there's 36 comments on it. But the interesting thing is that I didn't get a lot of new followers. So maybe I got 25. So $250 for 25 new followers. No.
That's not
And
that
and
good.
here's the other thing, all right? Here's the other thing to keep in mind. A video watcher, a video view on YouTube is 30 seconds. 30 seconds on YouTube is considered a view. On Facebook, it's considered 3 seconds. So that's a big difference right there, right?
Yeah.
Well, guess what? On TikTok, less than 1 second. So
It
basically,
just has to show up on...
every single impression is a view.
Yeah.
So as you glance through it, even if you have zero interest, TikTok considers that a view. So what are those 28,700 views? Well, if I got 28,700 views and I got like 10, 15, 20 new followers that they don't even get shown my content, because TikTok is it's a different type of animal in the sense of it's based on interest. It's not based on followers. Like if you have content on TikTok, it's not necessarily being shown to your followers.
Yeah.
Right? It's just going on the feed based on what people are interested in.
Right.
So it's a different platform. You can't really be obsessed over followers on TikTok.
Yeah.
So long story short, I cannot vouch for TikTok sponsored boost.
Especially just to get views.
Just to get views.
If you're going to try to get, I don't know, traffic to a website, then maybe. We didn't really test that, right? You didn't add a link to the thing. Yeah, so it looks like just to try to get views, no. I would say maybe invest just more time into, putting out more content, and that way you'll get more views.
But I would try this, and I'm gonna try some more stuff out. We can probably do a video promoting Damon, John, and myself, right? Shark AGM. And it could be a 1 minute video. You can do up to 3 minutes right now, right?
Yeah.
3 minutes. And we can do a promotional video and then boost it.
For ads, it has to be 60 seconds, I think.
60 seconds?
I don't think they updated that. I know for organic content, you could do 3 minutes.
Okay. So you could do a 60-second promotional video with a call to action, and you can add a link and boost it through the TikTok app and see if that helps you get some traffic. I know they're giving you data. You can go to the analytics and see what that video helped you produce. That's something that you can do for sure.
Yeah. Cool.
Give it a try. All right. It's all about testing. The marketing world is all about jumping in there and giving it a run and see if it produces results and see if you can get some attention from it and have it make sense. I'm all into TikTok. I'm a big fan of the platform right now. It's growing like crazy, but I'm all into also saving your cash.
Yeah.
And making sure that it keeps you going and you're not draining the oxygen of your organization. All right. Thanks for watching this video. If you enjoyed this content, please go ahead and like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel now.
And leave us your comments down below so that we can get to them on the next episode.
All right.